name is Megha and today I'm going to tell how to do Asian makeup on yourself with the help of some good products, and I will give you also the information, the products and the price, and you can also comment below if anything get missed. So let's start it further wasting any time. This moisturizer from Neutrogena, I'm gonna mix them together. Let me them with this powder brush. I'm going to use this Anastasia Baby Hills for my eyebrow. The shade is chocolate. And I'm using my iPhone 12. I'm not using any professional camera. I'm just using the front cam. Using any mic. If my voice get missed, you can comment if anything I gets missed. You can see that because of lockdown, my eyebrow is grown too much, and I haven't done because all salons are closed. So I'm gonna hide my excess of hair with the concealer. I always prefer doing bold eyebrows. I'm using this Revolution Pro Stick to hide my excess. I'm using this small concealer brush for the neatness of the work. This foundation is very smooth and very shiny. I have recently ordered this Sigma Beauty Blender. This cost me 1700 rupees. So at the very first time I'm going to use this in this video only. So you will also get the review of these beauty blenders. You can see the shape of this beauty blender. I'm going to tap it to make my base really smooth. Tap this beauty blender. You can see the shape of this beauty blender is really beautiful. Before using it, I have to put some concealer over my eyes. I am using this e.l.f. concealer, shade number is light beige. I am preparing the base for my eyeshadow. You can see how smoothly it blends the concealer. This Revolution Pro palette. Let me show you the shades. Please ignore my baby hair. You can see this pink color is so pretty. Putting them together make for each other. Are looking so nice. Now I'm gonna blend the outer corner. Now I am removing the excess glitter. Anastasia gel liner, shade black. Cherry eyelashes and pack glue. You don't need any colors, is that. Using this Huda Beauty foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation. If you see my previous video, I'm using this in my own videos, I guess. I'm gonna put it over my face using this Revolution Pro. I'm gonna spread it over my face with this brush. So I'm gonna put the excess foundation on my neck. Foundation with that beauty blender. This beauty blender is not taking my excess foundation. This Rewind concealer. I'm gonna put this concealer over my lips because that will give the more brightness to my lipstick. Blended. This beauty blender is just like heaven because this is not wasting my product. Some of the beauty blender takes that much of product, then you have to put it again and blend it again. Using this angular brush, this brush is contour for my nose. Blend this contour with my finger only for the proper shape. Beauty blender from Real Technique, and my dog chewed it and spoiled it so badly, so I have to purchase new beauty blenders. This foundation brush for face contouring because I forget it and I don't need it much. If you have a dark circles and pigmentation on your face, then you can use it. I'm shaping it with foundation brush, the foundation which is left. Next, matte bronzer. This is one of my favorite product. First of all, this is matte, and second thing is bronzer. To use this e.l.f. concealer under my eyes. First, I didn't use any color corrector. This Huda Beauty baking powder shade Blondie. I like using yellowish shade in foundation and powder concealers. I'm so obsessed with that. If you will contour your face, not your forehead, that will look a very long horse face. I'm gonna remove the excess amount of powder, banana HD powder. English. In this revolution. Don't forget to apply over your chin, it will enhance your face. Stay as long as it can. The final look, I'm done with the accessories and I'm gonna show how to do some good hairstyles in my next video. In the next video I'm going to show how to do makeup with drugstore makeup, full face makeup with a minimum range of cosmetic products. And I hope you like this video. And my Instagram is meghagrover7 and my personal Insta is megha with double AGROVER, and my Snapchat is meghagrover with double A 000. So you can also contact me if you want. You can DM me on Instagram.